no ambition in Iraq except to remove a threat and restore control of that country to its own people.
Breaking news, I just shit my pants.
This afternoon hour, at least 30 people believed to be killed on the campus of Virginia Tech University. That's in Blacksburg, Virginia, and we are deploying.
Stupidity with the gun, this gun. Stupidity with the gun, this gun. Yeah, God. Yeah, God. That stupid kid. Get fed. All this bullshit. Yeah, God. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, God. Yeah.
1,000 people are under evacuation orders, stuck scanning images on screens to look for hints of the fate of the home.
Apology. You are witnessing the single greatest witch hunt in American political history.
Such a misleading question, Leslie. We've done a good job.
You know that's not true.
It is totally true.
No,
Constitution of the United States. It was a massive dump, and I can show you right here. No president took in 10 cents, and I was taking in hundreds of cents. Everything was perfect, and I'm telling you, I live in New York City. I'm just a little bottom. Under Biden, over 5 people trespassed illegally across our border. 5 people, and we have no idea where they're. I think it's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. I'm going to do it.
As you know,
I don't know. I mean, I don't know.
you don't know.
No, I know nothing.
You don't know.
I don't know. No, I don't know. I know nothing. And you know what? You don't know. I have no.
We will be right back with the funky jam in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.